Let's start the render with Twilight rendering to enhance the apartment. So you choose the view that you want first, and why not to choose first a classical view like this. So I can choose a view like that first. Then you go on render. So here, as we have seen previously, you can edit your render presets at this level with the level of rendering, and you can also change the size here, and you have update content. You can change, here it's all, but you can just choose camera light, camera only, and none. So we keep on all, and you have send a current view like this. And after we'll be able to save a copy of the rendered image. And let's start with low plus like this, and we start the render. So this is an example of the rendering in low definition. So here we are in low definition. After, you can go and save a copy of the render image, and you can select, and for example, I save like that. And for example, in image file, we can see the different. On the left, I have the apartment, normal render with SketchUp, and after I have the render using Twilight and just in low definition. Now we are going to go out and to take another view. So for example, why not to select this view like this. So we can select this view, and we can go also on Twilight. But this time I'm going to change the render preset, so it's going to be long, but I'm going to select height, and I'm going to make the render in height. And here is another example with the rendering in high definition. Here we are on height, and I can save and export on this, and we are going to see the rendering. And for example, here on the image file, we can see on the left the basic SketchUp rendering, and on the right the rendering with the plugin Twilight Render in height like this. So you can really see the difference. It's extremely interesting. Look at, for example, for the kitchen, the rendering here. Look at the sofa. So it's extremely interesting. Look at the glaze here. It's totally different. So really you can improve and enhance your apartment, your design with this.